Ready to unlock the secret to pricing properties like a pro? First, head over to Zillow.com and type in the address of the property you want to analyze into the search bar. Press enter to view the listing. Once you're on the property page, scroll down to the price, tax history and select the sold filter on the map. This will allow you to see recently sold properties in the area. Now, examine the map for similar properties. Look for homes with comparable square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, lot size, and overall condition ideally. These comps should be within a half-mile radius of the subject property. Click on each red dot to view details like the sale price and property specifics in the pop-up window. Create a comparison chart, comparing the subject property to at least 3 similar properties. Note differences in features and adjust the prices accordingly. For example, if one comp has a renovated kitchen and the subject property does not, decrease the sale price. Remember, while Zillow's Zestimate is a starting point, relying solely on it is not enough. It's best to consult with a real estate professional to refine your comparative market analysis and to confirm your estimated price. And that's how you run comps using Zillow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips, and use hashtag ZILLOWCOMPS hashtag real estate analysis in the comments section below to share your experience.